Can we even see him? Okay, let's see if we can see him.
Coming up.
Baby, you can come around the back. I already opened the door. Take Audrey and go.
Oh, there's Zippy. Yeah, you can see him. Look at him. Josh's house is possessed with dragonfly.
I'll get Audrey. I'll get Audrey.
We'll get the baby.
Go, hurry.
That's so gross.
Run. Go.
There's thousands of them.
Ew, what if our kids... Oh my god. Oh my... I can't, babe. I can't. Oh my god, no.
Come on.
This is even better. Look at... This is better watching Dominique run from them. They're in your hair.
I cannot go in the house. I seriously can't. That's so gross.
There's 1,000 of them.
Ew.
Baby, just run in the house. Hurry up.
Run, because it'll make good footage.
Baby, hurry up. Just...
I can't. Seriously. I'm so grossed out right now. Mommy, you need to supervise your baby. Can I go around the back? Open the backyard.
Just run real quick. They won't get you, I promise. Just go. Ready? Hurry. Hurry, they won't hurt you, I promise.
I just, they look so... Babe, open the door for me, please. Open the
Okay,
door.
go. It's open. Run. Baby, it's open. That is kind of creepy.
It's funny,
You got like
though.
100 dragonflies. or
Wow, look at them.
Really funny. They're not anything else to do but yours. I like you. Huh. They usually don't swarm.
something. She used the diaper bag as a weapon.
You know what? I wonder if they all just hatch. Because dragons
No.
don't normally swarm.
I don't know.
You think they all just hatched?
Well, not all. That's a mass hatching.